1978 Honda CB750 K6. The vendor has given us a little bit of information on this one. He's restored the bike to a standard beyond belief. The money that he's got in this motorbike is unbelievable. You can clearly see where he spent the money. In my opinion, it is beyond perfect. I have to admit that. It says it's a UK original bike. It was first built April, May of 76, but it went into a showroom, wasn't registered till 1978. It's painted in candy sapphire blue metallic, which is the correct colour of the K6. It's had a full restoration from top to bottom, new wiring harness, new DID wheels as they were fitted originally by Honda. All the chrome work's been done. It's a brand new OEM mudguard, front and rear, badges, stickers, carbs rebuilt with OEM parts, Honda OEM exhaust that were bought new in 2004 and then fitted in 2025. All screws, nuts and bolts and washers are Honda OEM parts. Engine breather tube, OEM bracket fitted, the one from the engine block. An exhaust can, correct Honda ERA clutch cable fitted. It is unbelievable, this bike. It really, really is. When he told us the amount of money he had in it, it's quite hard to comprehend until you actually see this thing in person. And then you can understand where the money's gone. He's meticulously restored this thing from the ground up. And I mean, it is the nicest motorbike I've seen to date. Restoration wise, just, you know, it's an all round 100% there. His attention to detail is unbelievable. There's even some PPF on here to stop any buckle rash. You can hardly even see the edges of it. Guy's an absolute fanatic, and I have to say a perfectionist, and it shows well on this motorbike. As we go around it, I don't really need to say anything apart from, if you're interested in what I would describe as a show-winning motorbike, please come and have a look at this thing. It needs to be seen in person. The camera does just not do it justice on how good it actually is. There's nothing out of place. There's not a speckle. There's not a piece of rust anywhere. The chrome work, the money in the chroming is just next level. You can see how good it really is. It's as clean as it looks on the camera. And when I say it is as perfect as you're going to find it, I'm not joking. Not a mark to the tank anywhere. The paintwork, whoever did the paint job, is a credit to them, because I've seen some paint jobs in my time. We sell thousands of cars and bikes a year, and this is absolutely perfect. You can say things are good, but when we're in this condition, I don't know how you can't win a show with this easily. It also wants this sort of credit of getting ridden, because why would you have something as pretty as this and not get it out on the road and to the car shows and the bike shows? It's beautiful. So obviously reset the speedo. That's the miles he's done on it since it was rebuilt. You can't even tell it's done any miles, in all fairness to the gentleman. All the original stickers, and it's not a mark, there's not a scratch, there's not a ding, there's not a dent. Everything is absolutely gorgeous on this motorbike. Like I say, when he came in and explained it to me, I thought that's going to be nice, and the money that he's got in it, I just couldn't understand it. But now you see the thing, and it's all explained by just looking at it. Switch the ignition on now. All the keys that he's done are all on one key. That was a big point. All OEM Honda locks on the correct key. That's on the choke. You can see I've got the choke on there, and it fires instantly. This bike has not been started for 2 days. That's how well it starts. I'll give it a very little rev there, get it off the choke. What a thing this is. It really, really is. If you're interested in this, it doesn't matter where you are in the country or the world. Jump on a car, plane, whatever, and come and have a look. I can promise you, you will not be disappointed in the quality of the job that's been done. Like I say, look at the reserve price on this motorbike. I know from talking to the vendor, you can't restore it for half, double the price that he's got on this bike. Absolutely perfect. No marks, nothing to whinge about. The chrome work is gorgeous. I've read through the list of stuff he's fitted. We will detail that on the website because I could be here all day walking around this bike quite happily. And there you have it. It's a 78 Honda CB750 K6. Candy sapphire blue metallic. Rebuilt from the bottom up, this thing.